Cortesia Sanctuary, as we call it, is a 22-acre nature sanctuary that we created over 35 years ago when we came here. Every morning, you see the sun rising, passing through the trees, this golden light shining in your face. Or walking through the woods and you hear the little scuttle of a wildlife. You see herbs, you see plants, and just the scents, the smells. I never imagined when I was a little boy that I would actually be living and stewarding in an incredible place like this. I'm Forrest McDowell, co-founder of Cortesia Herbal Products, and we have been making organic herbal products for over 35 years. Our products were inspired by walking around the land and the garden and seeing all these herbs naturally growing. You know, one of the laws of nature is diversity. When we discovered Solomon's seal, that was what we wanted to play with, was this diverse quality of this incredible adaptogenic herb. So historically, Solomon's seal has been used for over 3,500 years by cultures worldwide. And because of its diverse qualities, we decided to use it as the base herb in all of our remedies. When we came here, we really had a desire to understand a relationship with nature. It really stems around the word Cortesia, an ancient French word that literally meant reverence for life. It so honored the sacredness in all beings, this higher ability to bring out the best qualities of a person or of a plant. And so reverence for life is always looking at this higher good. And I wanted to honor that in the products that we created. When I think of how we infuse the concept of reverence for life into our herbal remedies, the one word I think of is the soil. The soil we have been working in is so enriched with nutrients, and they're drawn up into the plants. And so the plants have these incredible nutrients in them. That's the gift of reverence the plant is offering to us. And the question is, how can we extract those nutrients, the best qualities of those, and be able to use them for our own everyday needs? And so with our knowledge, our kindness, our love, our consideration, we're able to make a salve, or we're able to make a tincture, something that we can use on our own selves